welcome back to my channel. I am here all bright-eyed, bushy-tailed to get into a new unit by Outre.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Don't mind the water spots on the package. I actually spilled juice. So there you go. We are here with Miss Katiana, okay? Katiana. And we have this beauty. She's a melted hairline lace front wig. And we have her in the color Havana brown, okay? Don't judge my nails. I know they need to be done. I'm on it. I'm on it. So, truth be told, I'm already absolutely positively obsessed with the color of this hair. Look at that. Absolutely positively stunning. She's really, really beautiful. The texture is really nice. I did a unit like this before. I did it in 1B. No, I cannot remember the name, but it was an Outre unit. And I think she's kind of like a sister unit to this one because the texture of the hair is really similar. This unit is, so let's get into this unit. I am here with Miss Katiana. Okay, look how stunning she is. The texture of the hair is absolutely beautiful. She has 2 combs in the front, okay? One in the back, adjustable straps for kind of forever, as well as the band that we absolutely love and like just love and adore. So one of the great things about this unit is one, she has the ear-to-ear lace, okay? But also get into this lace parting. So it's already etched out like a middle part for you, okay? And we're going to get into this, lay her down. My hair is in a ponytail because I was walking around here looking like a little Meech. And my husband was laughing at me. So I had to take the braids out and throw it in a ponytail. So he knew I got hair under here like that. You know what I mean? I don't always look like this. So I'm going to go ahead, throw her on, beat my face, get my life together. And I'm going to see you on the other mother jumper side. Got her done real quick. Yes, I beat my face first, and that's really primarily because I was out here looking crazy. No, I wasn't. I was looking natural, but you know what I mean? I want to judge for y'all. Can I judge for the girls? So that's what I came through and did. So this is her. Okay, this is Katiana, which I love. I love that name, Katiana. Okay, this is Miss Katiana. And she's giving. Like, she's really, I mean, I love this unit. In theory. Why? Because if you're looking for something very beginner friendly, a natural texture, I feel like she's giving like natural vibes. The scalp is insane. You know what I mean? I think that she provides, right? She's going for just under $40 on most wig sites. She tangles a bit, but not too much, okay? And I guess I think I took pause for that moment because maybe I was thinking about it like, as a human hair unit. Like, as a human hair unit, but this ain't human hair, okay? And for the price point, you're getting a nice unit. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't even like glue her down because honestly, you don't have to. So for all the girls who are like afraid of that, guess what? Don't do it. For the people in the back, don't do it. Actually, what's my little hack when I don't want to glue my edges down? What I typically do, if I can find it, I'll use this one because I can't find the other one. I actually don't care for Cream of Nature's edge control, which at all. However, that's what's close to me right now. I'm moving, so everything's out of pack. So what I usually do when I'm just not in the mood to like glue my edges down, y'all gonna be like, girl, you is nuts. I just take a little bit of this. Okay, and this kind of helps it stay in place. And I only do it at the root. Boom. Boom, boom, blam. Okay, that's all I do. Honest to God, when I don't feel like it, you still want like an effortless look. I literally just take a little bit of edge tamer, put it right there, and keep it moving for the rest of the day. That's it, and that's all. Like, that's really all I do. I like this unit. She really is pretty. I am a little bit annoyed at all the tangles. However, she is $40. So I could just shut my mouth on that one, okay? Because she is giving to us everything that she's supposed to in her price point, okay? So check me. I'm not going to check Miss Katiana, okay? My bad, sis. Now, I will say the color, Havana Brown. Outre, do us all a favor. Create a Havana Brown option in every single unit. This color is insane. Insane. She's absolutely stunning. She's giving love, sex, and magic. I really like her. I really do. What do you guys think? I kind of gave all the critiques I think I can. She's very snug and I love it. However, I do think she could be big hair friendly. I'm using that band in the back, but if you don't use it, I think she'll give you a little bit more room. I've said all I've come to say. What are you thinking? Are you feeling her? Are you feeling her for the kid? Did I come through with a nice lippy? Courtesy of MAC. Did I do that? Let me tell you something. Am I the drama? That is like literally my favorite thing to say right now. So do me a favor. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about Mrs. Katiana, because she is providing. No heat, no nothing involved, just a little bit at the top. And she came on through for the come through. So if you have not already, again, subscribe. Okay, bust down. I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.